Hey everybody, good afternoon. So getting ready to head on the trailhead, and if you notice, I'm wearing two hats. It's pretty brisk morning out here, and sometimes you need just a little bit extra warmth. I'm really loving these cashmere gloves and cashmere hat. It just really does keep your head so much warmer, but then having the wool hat on top provides even extra warmth. So anyway, hope you're staying warm wherever you are today. Just want to talk a little bit about preparation, and that sometimes we think that, you know, what we have and where we are, that we're prepared for what life throws at us. And other times, you know, we're taken by surprise by unexpected things that happen. And you know, recently, I actually had my car, my van vandalized and attempted to break in. And again, it's something that, you know, you hope that it's not going to happen to you. You hope that you're going to be able to, you know, weather the storms, you know, like weather the trees in the middle of the road, right? The unexpected things that you didn't account for. And, you know, it just goes to show that people, you know, that want to take advantage of other people, and people that have a sinful and wicked nature within them, are going to justify, you know, doing bad behavior, doing wrongful behavior, because they want a free ride. They want to take advantage of people and take advantage of the system. But the thing is that, you know, we have, you know, measures in place today that we didn't have previously. And now we have, you know, AV camera footage, and, you know, we can identify people because, hey, guess what? I can give a description of who the guys were that were on my property. You know, we can document with photographs the damage that they did to our vehicle. We can submit that to the police and to insurance, and we can get these things handled. And so what I'm getting at is that there's so many, I'm going to say, advantages that in our modern society that we can protect our physical belongings. We can protect our loved ones because of these AV advantages that, you know, other generations didn't have access to, but we do. So there is that. And as we, you know, as I move forward, you know, additional precautions are put into place, because now I know that there are people in my current neighborhood, which supposedly was, you know, a safe neighborhood, but now they're targeting cars and, you know, vehicles on people's driveways. And so whether it's vandalism, which I have documentation for, attempted burglary, I have documentation for, the neighbor's car was broken into, we have documentation, we have AV footage. The point is, these variables make it easier to prosecute people, to actually make them responsible for the deeds that they did. Because guess what? AV makes that possible. So on one hand, it's a disruption. It's an unexpected, annoying thing. And on the other hand, I have gratitude for these systems that allow us to prosecute people and allow us to put a name and a face to people that have taken advantage of me and my family, and you and yours. So gratitude for those systems. So if you find yourself in a predicament where you parked your car or you parked your van in a parking lot and somebody vandalized you, you know, you can report this to your insurance company. Even if you don't have footage, you know, wherever you are parked, you can still report that and the vandalism done to your vehicle, and you can get reimbursed for those things on your insurance policy. So if you don't know that, you know, look into that with your particulars of your policy. And in terms of, you know, home security and other, you know, AV security, there are other things out on the market now that make it possible for us to protect ourselves and our belongings with a little bit more digital care and proof. And so I'm grateful for that. So if you have any other questions, feel free to ask. I'm going to end this topic right here. Again, I thank you for your helping of this channel grow and for the different content that I post here. And if you really prefer, you know, van related videos, click below in the comments van. If you like safety and security content, if you can put safety. If you like food and recipes, if you can put recipes. And if you like biblical content and scripture content, put Bible. So thanks so much for participating, and I look forward to seeing you and sharing more. Bye. Have a good one.